Good evening, participant. I hope you enjoyed your weekends. So let's start the session. Still, participant keep joining. Anyone confirm me that my screen and my voice getting by you? Okay. I announce one number to you. I mean, this is a helpline number. Please save this number on your mobile. I'm just putting this number in chat box. Okay. Regarding any issues, you can contact this number. Prefer the WhatsApp. First of all, prefer the WhatsApp. The person available there is Rakhi ma'am. She will assist you in every manner. Okay, and it is mandatory that you save the number in your phone because I hope she will create the WhatsApp broadcast list so that you can get the number. I mean message immediately. If you don't have number in your mobile, so you don't get the message from the broadcast list. Okay, so kindly save this number right now. 8410088096. All right, I will share this number at the end of the session. Okay, so what is your name? Rock Ghost. Wow, at least put your good name put by your parents. All right, so today's topic is the dictionary. Muhammad Usman, hello, I have tried to convert a string into okay Usman, I will explain this thing in last, but I think I do this kind of problem in my last session when I taught you the list. Okay, so if you check that notes, you find the solution over here. Have you checked the notes of list? How to convert list to string, string to list? I have explained this thing in last session. Muhammad Usman, unmute yourself and reply me. No, you studied that, but I practically implemented these things. The list and string function, vice versa. If you go to my notes, class
Uh,
notes, yes, Muhammad Usman.
yes, I have studied that and I use this as a function. But
So
my point
yeah,
doesn't work. It shows me some error.
you go on my last class notes.
Uh, may I know where is that? It's different than the dictionary stuff.
Actually, every notes you can find on your login. Login words, you have a login of IIBM Institute Management. So every notes you find over there, and I demonstrate in last class list and between the string. Okay, how you convert and vice versa. All right. So you find go to login given by the IIBM live class notes over there. You can find over. Now I provided you the number. If you don't find notes on timely, you can ask. I mean, at least not today's night. Just like if I am taking lecture today's night, so not disturb to concerned person today. But if on tomorrow you can't get, so you can drop a message on the WhatsApp, ma'am. I don't get the notes like that. Okay, so helpline number is there. One more time, I am announcing this is a helpline number on your demanding. I mean, you people's not get any kind of assistant. Okay, so you can ask me this kind of thing. All right, let's start the session. So in today's session we have dictionary. Okay, so open your notebook and do implement with me all those how many of you have a Jupyter notebook? Kindly put yes. Make sure you save this number to your mobile. Okay, so let's start the session. And today's topic is dictionary, Python dictionary. How the Python dictionary works, how to create, how to update data, all these things we cover today. Okay, so let's the first thing is what is Python dictionary. Okay, the Python dictionary is an ordered collection of item. Okay, means it can be ordered collection of item, means unordered collection of item. Each item of the dictionary has key value pair. Means what we see in previous data structure that we have different kind of approach, but here we have different kind key value approach. See, as the name is shown, dictionary. Dictionary means when you see some ordinary dictionary, so what happened that you find a word with the help of key. What is key? Your English word is key, and their meaning is the value. Okay, so in usually dictionary, just like Oxford dictionary, any other dictionary, you search the keys. All right, and if you found the keys are arranged, alphabets are arranged in the order, means keys are arranged. Okay, dictionary are optimized to retrieve a value from when key is known, means when you have a key, so you have known its value, so it's mandatory to know the English word, then you got the meaning. Doesn't matter you have a meaning, then you got the English word. So the here English word corresponding to key. So it is very good data structure because we maintain many kind of information, good information in this kind of data structure. All right, so how do we create a dictionary? So dictionary is simple. Creating a dictionary is simple as placing item inside a curly braces, means what bracket you put over here, that is a curly braces. In list we take the square bracket, in tuples we take the parenthesis, in dictionary we take the curly braces and separated by the comma. All right, now an item has a key and the corresponding value that is expressed as a pair. Which pair? Key and value. So we have to put key first, and after colon, after we have to put the colon, and after we have to put the value. Okay, I will demonstrate you in few seconds. While the value can be any data type, can be repeat, key must be immutable type. Okay, a string n- immutable type means we cannot change the value of key. Even the data associated with the key we can change. All right, a string, number, tuples, immutable elements, all there. Okay, so now creating a blank key, creating a blank dictionary, creating a blank dictionary. So how we create? Someone is waiting for classes. Yes. Okay, so creating a blank dictionary, how we create this blank dictionary? What I do, I take the dict1 equal to, put the blank curly braces. Okay, so based on this one, what happened, this will give me a blank dictionary which don't have any key or value. Dict1, check this one. I hope. All right, now if you want to check the type of this one, you can check over here. All right, so by this way you can see I just put the blank curly braces and you got the dictionary over here. All right, now how we create dictionary with integer key? Check this one. How to create a dictionary with integer key? Check this one. All right, it's a very good thing. What I am doing here, I take a dictionary 2, dict2 equal to 1. See, I put dictionary with integer key, so my keys will be integer and data anything, just like apple. On second number, see the presentation. First we have a key. If it is a integer, so don't put this data in single quotes, even if you can put in one in single quotes, but that is a string kind. All right, number 2 we have banana, number 3 banana orange. All right, so you run this thing and check the dict2 dict2. You can see over here the dictionary is going to be print, but this is about the thing we have the integer key. But how we do same thing with the help of uh, string keys and then mixture key? String key, then we have a mixture key. Mixture means Mixture means we can use string, we can use the numeric one like that. Okay, so string key is just like I take dict 3 equal to name, second key department, hr, and third key salary. Okay, so you find the usability over here means we uniquely divide the what are the things and what are the data. Okay, so what happened, I put the data 5000. Okay, so what happened if I access these dictionary dict 3 60 can over here. But the thing you should point over here that if I put only dictionary, so the keys are presented in a sorted manner. See, D, N, S. First of all, starting A B C D, then N, then S. If I use the print function, print dict 3, then you can see different arrangement. So don't go with the this word what happened the print, what happened this one, but ultimate things is key and value and key and value. All right. Now, just like we create mixture key. How take a mixture key? Dict 4 equal to, just like I take one colon, put any data, Jew, then we take animal name or what and animal is there. We take lion, then we take one more thing, a city, then we take Lucknow. Okay, and the city we put inside a string. Okay, it's a single quote. So when you comes across this one, dict 4, get it over here. And the more thing we can put collection of data item also on a particular key. Just like if we do have data of class, not class, class is a keyword, clas equal to, I'm creating the dictionary in which on keys we have the name of a student. All right, Rahul. Okay, then what we happen if we have a four subject, I mean if Rahul is studying the four subject, so I can put the 4 marks inside a list. Okay, and this list will be appear on a value point. It's like 88 comma 96 comma 41 comma 72. Similarly, we can take one more student, Priya, then again put one more list over here, and we put, all right, this is my one kind of dictionary and you want to print. So you see data over there. Okay. Uh, one library is named Pandas. What Pandas do actually? We will do it details when we read the Pandas. But Pandas create a data frame. Okay. So using data frame, you can put the tabular structure of this one. Pandas use the data frame. Data frame is a tabular presentation, means the tabular presentation. Actually, you are missing the tabular presentation of this one. Okay, so I just give small look. I mean, not going too deep. Import pandas spd. Pd is a aliasing. So df means frame, data frame. Frame means two-dimensional arrangement. Okay, the pd dot data frame. Then I put clas. What is clas? It's automatically data over here. Okay, so what happened? Then put a df. Okay, so when we do the pandas, so if you want some tabular representation of data, So you can do this kind of thing. And why my intention behind to show you data frame function? Because it accept the dictionary variable. Input is dictionary variable. So what happened with the dictionary variable? So if you take this kind of dictionary variable over here, so this header what you header taking over here become the column. Second header become the second column. Means key become the header, and what list you maintain over here, it become the data. Okay, means the thing which are basically missing over here, we can do the tabular representation like that. It can be fulfilled by the data frame, nothing else. All right. Okay. So after this, I told you what is it, how to create blank dictionary, how to create a dictionary with the string keys, with the numeric keys, and the mixture keys. Now let's move the accessing the element from dictionary. Means you have the element and you have to access these elements. So how we access this thing? Okay, one more thing. You read the tuples, you read the list, you read the string. So while you accessing the element in these two data structure, which one, tuples and the list, you will taking the help of indexing, because data is storing on the index. Okay, but uh, same way you would take the help of index in string also. But here index is not matter, better matter is keys, on which keys your data is locating over here. Okay, you can check this one. While the indexing is used with the other data type to access value, a dictionary uses the keys. Okay, the keys can be used either inside square bracket or with the get function method. So I will demonstrate you here the get function as well as the square bracket. Is what we do with the square bracket, we can just put the keys and data will be shown over here. All right. So we have a dictionary over here. Which dictionary? Okay, if we use the square bracket, the key error raised in the case of key is not found means if you are trying to access that key which is not available in your dictionary, so the square bracket give you the key error. All right. On the other hand, the get method return none if nothing is found. Means if you don't have any key which you are going to access, so what get method do? Get method return nothing or none. All right, but it don't give you the error. Okay, let's see how we do this. So I'm selecting a dictionary, just like I select a dictionary of dictionary 3, that is better, name, department, salary. Yeah, so I'm adding dictionary 3. Look carefully. Okay, so if I want to access the department, so what I do, I told two techniques, one get method, one is square bracket. So first go with the square bracket. So dict3, then square bracket, then the key name. See, D is capital. If I'm accessing the D is small, see, I'm making the mistake. So what it says, key other department, because department is with a small d, but I make this thing capital D, so this will give me the data. Means on this department dictionary 3, the key have department, the data is HR, means value is HR. Okay, so this is a way you can find over here. And if you don't have any key, access that key which is not available using square bracket. Square bracket will raise error. Let's see, let's suppose in dict 3 I don't have the address. Okay, and I do address, so it give me error. What happened? Same way, if we use a get function, using get function, if I am accessing the value of that key which is not available, Alright, then what happened? Dict3 dot get. Here I don't use a square bracket. Keep in mind. Here I don't put the square bracket, just put the parenthesis and then and better do this thing in print. Okay, inside print I access that key which is not available. See what is returning? None. Okay, and without print you run this code, it will do return nothing because the data is not found. And using get method, if you accessing that value which is available just like a name, same thing over there. So to access the keys, either you go with the get or you will go the square bracket. Okay, one more thing regarding the get, if it is working, if this is working here, because the output is none. So if I check, I'm just check. Yes, what I want to show you that if a key is not available over here, if the key is not available over there, so you can put the default value. You can see address is not there and it returning none. Okay, but if you want to set some default value, if key is not there, so get method have a facility, then without having the key inside dictionary you can return a default value. I just mark this one. If key is not there, so get method have facility to print default value. All right, now check this one. All right. Okay. Now this is a way how to get the thing from starting. What we do, we just see how to create a variable, how to create a variable of dictionary type, how to create an integer key with data, how to create a string key with data, how to create a mixture key with data, then how to access that one. Little bit introduction of pandas data frame, just for tabular presentation of dictionaries. I mean, someone want to do some data in tabular format. If we have this kind of arrangement, so we can do introduction to data frame. Then how to access, you can access these key with the help of either square bracket or we can say get function. Square bracket return you the error if the key not found, get function just return you none or default value if data is not found. All right, now next thing, changing and adding the dictionary element. Changing means you can update the data if whatever data is given to you of dictionary variable, okay, using the key. And we can adding, if key is not there, so we can adding to them. All right, all of you over here, let me check. Yes, all of you over here, how many do implementing with me? How many person implementing with me? Type yes. No one implementing with me, just looking. You guys are looking just dictionary before is there.
Yes, sir, I am implementing, sir.
Implementing, okay, so how many of implementing with me, kindly type yes so that I can know. Not a single person.
Actually, many of us are working with you, sir.
Okay, that's good.
So
Okay.
that message gets there.
Okay, actually I just put very good, that's good. Okay, so all right, so how we adding the elementing dictionary? Okay, means either you can update data existing item or you can add the key item if it's not there. So again I am adding the see what we have in dictionary. Okay, so what we have three keys only. We have only three keys. All right. So let's suppose the thing which I accessed the previously dict3 address. This thing is not present. That's why it is showing me error. Now, first of all, how to see how to changing means updating. I just put the updating. Updating is the better word. Updating and adding the all right. Okay. Now see address is not there. So what I do, I just adding the address, adding key with value. All right. So what happened if you do some assignment key and value with the equal to operator, just like I put the address of Bareilly, my hometown. All right. So what happened, then I access this dict3. Check this one, address is automatically added over here, address department. Okay. Beside this, if you want to update that data, means update the existing data, then what happened, I just check address again, dict3 equal to, sorry, dict3 address equal to Delhi. Okay. So what happened when you run this code and you access this thing, you can see data is going to be updated. So if key is not there, you can add the key. If key is there but you want to update data, so you can easily update the data over there. All right. Now, not this one. If you have a key of numeric one, all right. So what happened? Just like I have in dictionary two, I have numeric one. All right. So dict two of keys, that is not index. Two is not index. Two is key. I want to put my name. Okay. So when I put the dictionary two, so you got my name on the second index. Okay. Now how to remove? Create, update, remove. All right. Let's check how to remove data. So we can remove a particular item in a dictionary by using the pop method. Okay. So pop, just like I told you, sometimes the stack in stack we have push and pop operation. Push means inserting, a pop means removing. Okay. So this method remove an item with the provided key and return the value. So keep in mind that pop item always return you value. I mean it will print the value. The second method, pop item, the method can be used to remove an arbitrary value. Means if you're using the pop item, two methods are there, pop and pop item. Pop item will return the that item or delete that item whose key you will provide. Pop item arbitrary return anything. Okay. All the items remove at once using a clear method. And if you want to remove all the things, so you can use a clear method. We can use a del keyword for remove individual item or entire dictionary itself. So four things are there: pop, pop item, clear, and del. Okay, let's see one by one what these things are doing. Okay, so what I do, I have this dictionary 3. Okay, so I'm just putting over here dictionary 3. So first of all, the demonstration of pop method. What I do, dict3 dot pop. Okay, I have to put over here key department. Okay, so it will always display, see, pop always display the data either in list or something else data structure. Okay, so check this one, department is removed. The second one, pop item. So pop item return you the arbitrary value. All right, arbitrary mean without any order, जो उसका मन होगा वो ड्राइव कर लेगा. ऑलराइट, दैट इज अ पॉप आइटम. सो जब वो अपनी मर्जी से कर रहा है, व्हेन इट इज डूइंग विद ओन डिजायर, so it no need any parameter. So pop item dict3 pop item What it do, it don't accept any parameter, while pop will accept the parameter. Okay, and it will remove anything. So it remove the address and whose value is Delhi. Okay, arbitrary value from the list. So what your dict3 become, only two items in there. Okay, now third method is clear.
Sir, top item is removing actually the last item.
No, anyone, any arbitrary item. See,
No, sir. I checked one more time and he is removing salary this time.
so I'm saying that in my case arbitrary is first item, in your case that is a last item. Pop item is removing the arbitrary value, any value. So in your case it is last, in my case it is first. Okay, and pop will take, see, it is not taking any index, any key over here, but pop taking a key. That's why it is removing your desired item. Okay, so if I see, I don't have the collection. You please fire one more time. You please fire this one more time, see, and tell me what item it is removing.
Items.
Okay, देखो बताओ मुझे फटाफट से. Akash को नहीं है, we can use is in, there is a facility of using is in, you know this thing.
हाँ हाँ सर,
ठीक है ना.
रैंडमली निकाल दो।
तो अभी आपके एलिमेंट, अभी डिक्शनरी में कितने एलिमेंट हैं आपके. You all peoples are
सर
suggested
अभी एक
to,
ही बचा।
all other people suggested to see the pop items method, so that you can also make sure that thing is removing arbitrary.
Sir, actually, it is removing the last element actually, sir.
नहीं 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 नहीं।
आप दूसरा ट्राई करो, दूसरा ट्राई करो, दोबारा ट्राई,
I
दोबारा ट्राई करो, दोबारा रन कराओ, उस चीज को दोबारा रन कराओ. यू प्लीज रन
सर
सेकेंड
किया
टाइम.
सर,
है ना,
रैंडमली निकाल दो।
रैंडम निकालता है वो, उसकी डेफिनेशन ही वही है ना. सो प्लीज डोंट कंफ्यूज एंड सी. सबसे बेस्ट तरीका मैं बता रहा हूँ. यू आर ऑल इंटेलिजेंट पीपल, इफ यू वांट टू सी द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन ऑफ दिस टाइप, if you want to see, so put cursor over here, cursor after, and put the shift tab, shift plus tab. I put the cursor my over here, shift tab. Okay, so you can go with the all documentation. All right, so all right, so now we have a clear method. What clear method do? Clear method just clear everything. I mean, how many we have in dict3, two items. So if you want to clear data, actually I every time I taught the deletion of data at last because my data is lost using this one. Okay, so clear method is used to just removing the item, but the data dictionary is not deleted from the memory. Means the dictionary will be there in memory, but data remaining clean, means remain, data will be removed but dictionary in memory. So what I do, dict3 dot clear. I just put the copy over here. I have to demonstrate over here. Clear, wrong place. Dict3, dict3 dot clear. Okay, so what happened if we do this thing and then we see the dictionary? That is important. Alright, so dict3, dict3 blank. And if you want to remove the thing from memory, use the del keyword. Del always, keep in mind, del is a not function, del always a keyword. So del dict3. So what happened now, if you access the thing which are not inside a memory, then will reflective error, Python reflective error. So if you want to remove entire data from the memory, so you can go with the del keyword, just like dict2. And I want not going with the clear, I just do dict2 dot, sorry, del. Okay, now you access this one. All right, del, not del, dict2. No, the thing is removed from memory, so it can be removed over here. All right, now we have a copy method. What copy method do? Let's try one more time. Let's create some dictionary because everything going to be lost. I just copy this one. Copy. Right. I just put over here. Dict three. Dict three. All right. Just calculating this one, and what I do, I just print this one. Okay, so copy method return a shallow copy of dictionary. Okay, so you can create a copy of this one. I mean, when you want to modify the original one, so take a backup of this one. We do some program, good program today, so we can see we can take the backup. So I just take the temp over here, temp equal to dict3 dot copy. What it do, it will just reflect all the data item over here. Means whatever you have in original one, so you can get over here. All right, so based on this one we can see how to make a copy of this one. Now we have method from key, and that is a good method. What it do, the from key method creates a new dictionary from a given sequence of element with the value provided by the user. You want that I will copy all the keys, not value, so this method will be helpful. So what parameter it take? From keys method take two parameter, sequence and value. The sequence of element which is used as a key for the new dictionary.
This is here.
Yes, please, Savisachi.
What you did, sir, you just create one variable temporary and put those things using copy function.
Mm-hmm.
But we can do that same without using copy. It will do the same, no?
Assignment, yeah. But I have to demonstrate the copy function. You can do the assignment operator.
Okay. We do
Okay.
the same. Yeah.
Same thing, dear. Same thing. All right. So from key method take two parameter. First is sequence and value. If you want to copy the only keys and make a new dictionary, so you can take from keys. And if you don't want to copy, I mean don't want to copy the values, you can put your own values. Okay, let's see how we do this thing. All right. So in my dict three, all right. Now what I do, see, I'm just creating one more temp. This is my temp. Okay, I just take temp one. Temp one equal to dict dot from keys, and here I pass dict3. What thing you want to copy over here? Okay, so what happened when you do this thing? So what we have in temp, check this one. Only keys are copy as it is, but data is not copy. Okay, so now if you want to copy the data, if you want to update data, so what you have to do? Anyone know this thing about from keys, how we use the data, existing data? I mean, if you want to just let me put, if I want that something is
Can
predefined.
I can I
Yes,
say,
yes, please, Shudhanshu Chaturvedi. Yes.
sir? It will take out only the keys, not the values. So that is why it is showing none over there, sir.
No, no, my question is that if you want to put your own data, just like I want to put my name, actually whatever you put it will be repeated as a all data. Okay,
Okay.
so is there a provision we can change to this one?
I mean, you want to write over there like wherever the none. Like suppose if you want to address, if you want to put the address in place of key address,
Check
so
this
you
one. Solution is here. Solution is here. Just see what I'm doing. I just take no values copy, but if you want your some default values created on
Sir,
each,
do you repeat dot dict3 dot values?
I just put my name. Okay. See, I don't want to copy the values. That's the main thing. That's why I use the copying just in my uh, keys. But I want to give the some default value which is distributed to all keys. Okay, you can see all this copy. So in that case, you want to copy only keys and with some default value. You will go with this method. This very good method from keys. What I do over here, I put dict3. From dict3 it will take only key, and what data you copied over here it will distribute on all keys. This is a vertical presentation because data is very too lengthy, it is not adjusting over here. That's why it's showing you vertically, so don't be confused why it is putting the vertically, otherwise this is putting horizontally. All right. So from keys method you want to copy the keys, and you want just put your own data, and see data is distributed equally on all keys. Okay. Python get, I demonstrated already about Python get. Python get is parameter, means method which used to
So can you add multiple values?
no, no. If you add this multiple value or you put list over here, it will be distributed on each index. This is especially designed and you want to copy either value, either keys with none, or you want to copy, I mean getting a keys with your own data. This method is specially designed for that. Okay, I mean just
Okay, every key value has the same value.
yes, yes, yes. All right. So better each time the official documentation pop up on the shift tab. All right. Now I don't go for the get because I already told you how to get. What is get method? This method is used to get data, just like I show you. Dict3. What it do? Why it is beneficial? It is not give you an error. Okay. If thing is not there, just like if thing is not there, TICT 3, and always keep in mind square bracket not will be used when you take the get one, just like this will show the data, and this will show those data which is not available as in none, just like put name Sally, uh OTP, just like OTP is not there, so returning a none. But instead of OTP, if not there, you can put any random number, any data over there, so it will defaultly it will show you. Okay, that is the method. So Python get method versus dict key, what is the difference? Dictionary of keys with a square bracket reflective error if data is not found, but get method is not give you the error. All right. Now second thing, Python dictionary items. So dictionary item methods return a view. Let me zoom this thing actually. More zoom. Yes. Dictionary items. Okay. So what happened? The items method return a view object that display dictionary key values double pairs. Okay. So it return both. How it is written both? Dict3, and I am using the for loop for keys comma value in dict3 dot items. All right. Then we do print keys. So I put the keys separately and put keys over here. Basically I do the k and v so that you can differentiate. K for keys, v for value. All right. So keys there. Similarly what I do, comma value, then we have v. So I have to modify this thing also, that is a key, that is a v. Let's see what it is turning to me. See, so it is one by one. See, dict item returning you one thing, means this thing at a time. So first one is key, second one is item. So first one is key, second one is your value. So key printed very first and the value printed at last. So the iteration goes till last until the last item is going to be found. Okay. And if you want to see only the keys over there, I mean keys method over there, so what you do, you just take dict3. These are the predefined method which is used to demonstrate various kind of thing. You can see it is returning a list of keys whatever available over there. All right. Now similarly we have dict3 dot values. I think I have to mark down this one. Python dictionary value method. All right, escape m. Let me take one more cell over here. All right, so what I do, dict3 dot values values. So whatever the keys over there, same way you can find the corresponding value in sequential manner what you assign over here. Right, again I already do the pop method. Pop method is used to return the value. Okay, now program based on the dictionary. You guys can do this thing. Pop parameter, I already demonstrated the pop parameter. Pop function, dictionary program based on, sorry, dictionary program. Just give me 1 minute break, then we resume the class. All right, welcome back. Let's start some program. All right, all of you over here, all of you over here, right? Yes, yes. Okay, that's good. My team is very punctual. Okay, so first program, write a program, write a program to count the frequency of each character in a given message, in a given message, and store in another or another dictionary. Okay, very good program is here. I mean, concept is old, just we have to see how to implement this thing in a program. Okay, so we have any message, take any message, msg equal to hello, good morning. See, space is also right character. Good morning. uh, Today we have no class. Let's suppose this is one kind of my message. All right, at the end I put this over here. Okay, so what I do, some letters are capital, some is small. So what I do, I just convert all the letter, convert convert all the letter to lower. Okay, lower upper, I mean, so that you can not, your program will not distract regarding the uppercase and lowercase, because you have to count the frequency t u small t. I mean, later on you can see capital T U small t different. Okay, now I initialize one more dictionary with blank one. All right, now, so before this I put msg equal to msg dot lower function. Same message will be overridden with the lower alphabets. Create new dictionary to store alphabet colon frequency. All right, I mean, in this format we can store this thing. Now what we do, next loop, for word in msg, means I am catching the character by character. I told you when we have a string kind of thing, so it will be returning the iteration using character by character. Okay, now if word word in message. I check the given word. Let's suppose it get the H. So I check that if next H over there or not. If this H over there, so what I do, I initialize dict of word with the actually not in, it's a not in, because if it is not in this one, so it will initialize only one frequency. Because if I capture the H, so what happen, if there is a not in means no other H is there, so it will be true, and only one character will be read, I put over here one. Otherwise, if there is a multiple thing, means it is in the message. If H is multiple time in this given message, so what I do, else dict of word equal to dict of word plus one. Alright, let's see what is my dictionary print dict. Where is the problem? Key error H in the 10th line. In the 10th line, hmm, anyone find the problem? We can see using dict function. Dict function also use dictionary. No, same thing is there.
But I think indent problem, like it should be in for manners font.
Let me check. H is over there, and it's over there. Again, go to blank dictionary. Mm, word in message, for word in message. Okay, if word is not in message, sorry, not in message, not in dict, not because we are capturing this thing. Okay, so it is not in this one because we initialize the blank one. All right, not this one, so it will give the set the counter one. Otherwise, it will do increment this way. Yes, now see how much time t is here. One times today's H, how much time H is there? Hello's H and have H. Okay, so we can extend this program by creating a histogram. Create a histogram. Actually, histogram, that kind of histogram which is using a visualization library. I will not use that. I will do some equal to marks and do some vertical histogram. See, histogram of frequency. Basically, histogram is used for showing the frequency. Let's put one more. All right. So what I do, I just use the predefined dictionary what we have in dict. This is my data. So what I use for key, key is my alphabet, value, my frequency. I mean each value is a frequency. So what happened in dict, dict is my null, dict was my null dictionary, but now it is having data. Dict dot items. I told you the items method. It will return key and value. So what happened? Print keys. Sorry, not keys. It is a key, and then I put some space over here. 1, 2, 3. After I take equal to, better I put equal to over here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I put equal to, multiply the times value. If the frequency is very high, so 3 equal to will be printed. I mean just like a presentation, we have items. Where is the problem? Items S is there. Yes, there's S. See there. So how many time the data is repeated? See, this is for space. Space repeats the highest time. Okay. After this, we have O. Okay, so this is one kind of histogram. I mean, not histogram, just equal to is repeated, 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 repeated. So this looks like any character, how much time is repeating over there. All right. So this kind of program we have. I will give you some program and homework in the same sheet you find, but keep in mind two method. First one, take dot item. In a single iteration, you can get values as well as key. So I will put some homework over here. Based on this session, you have to work this thing. uh, Students are not sending the email to me. Only 4 and 5 students on daily basis sending the email. That's fair enough, but all of you have to learn. So whatever you're doing, you have to mail me. I'm again giving you helpline number. I just talk to management and they agree. The number of Raki ma'am, you can take a screenshot of that one. All right. uh Store this number in your WhatsApp, because the message is communicating using WhatsApp broadcast list. So WhatsApp broadcast list, it is a mandatory that you have to put this number. Your number will be saved in your phone. Okay, so that real time you have a communication. And if you have any issue, any kind of issue, not getting any notes, not login, any kind of thing, you can contact this one. Raki ma'am was there. I just put this number in my sheet also. If you forget this thing, prefer WhatsApp. First of all, WhatsApp, then voice call. All right, but I hope the you got the solution using a WhatsApp. Just put hash. Yeah. All right, you can take a screenshot of this one. Yeah, so I'm finishing the session. Tomorrow I will handle the file handling, or we take the set. I mean, set is not important for the data science, but if the provision, so I will teach you the set. All right, otherwise I will take the file handling. How to read data from file, how to write data from. We are not going very close. I mean, just creating Excel file, just creating a column like that, because for this pandas is sufficient. All right, we have to see how to write a data in file, how to read data in file, how to count a word in file, how to move pointer back and forth like that. Yeah. Now it's a question answer session. You can ask me any question regarding this session if you have.
Hello,
Yes, please.
sir. Ramya here.
What is your good name?
Ramya.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Sir, can you open that programming? The
uh
last, yeah, when initialize this dictionary, the blank one, line number
this one.
68.
Yes.
It's a, sir, can you explain this sequentially, like how it's happening after
uh,
for loop?
okay, so first
Yes,
of
sir.
all, see, first of all, I get the word, means I get the word h over there. Okay, so a word means iteration is done using this line. So it is capturing one. Up now I am checking the word not in dictionary, means if it not in dictionary means it is not updating. So initialize the counter with one. See, first of all, it is not in dictionary. Okay, so initialize the counter one. Once the initialize the counter with one, so then again it comes in else, and the counter is initialized with one, so it will updating how many time you get have this word in this string. So means you have initialized, this is initialized way how to initialize a counter of that particular word. Once you initialize this one, so you can updating that counter how many time the word is encountering your message. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you so
thank you,
much.
thank you. Any more, so we just can find bind up the thing.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, a problem is occurring in my Jupyter notebook. Sir, the problem is that once I run a cell, it will jump to another cell.
In that case, you have to show me the your Jupyter notebook. Otherwise, I can't do nothing. You can share. I just stop my screen presentation. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Are you getting my screen?
I can see still loading. I mean, blank is there. I hope nothing is blank. Black is blank.
Let, let me try again. Are you getting it right, sir?
No dear, it's loading. It's loading, and yeah, now it's getting.
So,
Mm-hmm.
sir, I'm trying to do some functions program
Mm-hmm. Just take one cell first of all. Going to other, take one cell.
like that. Sir, if I take this,
Take a
okay, and
take one cell over here. Not see. Just see. I want to see the kernel. Put the cursor after swap. Put the cursor after swap before this line. Before this
okay,
line. Before no no before this line. I mean previous cell. Previous cell.
this one
After swap. After swap parenthesis. After swap.
here,
Yes yes. And click on the plus below the file button. File menu. File menu
file,
below
this one,
plus one. Yes.
okay,
Now put 3 plus 4 and run the cell. I want to see if kernel is working right or not. 3 plus 4.
3 plus 4,
Now run the cell.
yeah.
Yeah. Now what problem you want to see?
So
Now
when I run program, it okay, so like
I think kernel is not functioning in that sense when you are running
see
the
sir,
program.
if I run this cell, it will goes to another one.
Mm, where it goes? It goes.
Like sir, if
See
I
your first thing your pending your input is pending. Enter the first string. First thing run that thing. Enter the first string. You hold
uh,
your the input. Enter your first string. Put the enter. Put your input.
okay,
No previous one before 3 plus 4. Yeah. Put the
here,
no the prompt is opening. Yeah yeah
okay,
yeah.
no, it runs. Yeah, it runs. Whenever when I am running it, it is
एक्चुअली
not
इफ़
working.
यू रन द मल्टीपल सेल, अगर तुम मल्टीपल सेल को रन कर रहे हो तो वो जो कर्नल होता है वो कंफ्यूज हो जाता है सेल कौन सा रन करना है. सो डू वन बाय वन. वन एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ फर्स्ट सेल इज फिनिश, देन गो टू नेक्स्ट वन. ओके. और वेन एवर योर प्रॉब्लम इज दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग, सो टेक अ न्यू सेल एंड टाइप एनी अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन. अदरवाइज
Sir, in
अदरवाइज
your PDF, this program is not working also. Can you elaborate me please in your PDF?
दिस इज ए मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट. आई विल एलिब्रेट. ठीक है, मैं आपको इसका फॉर्मूला दे दूंगा. एक्चुअली ये मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट है, तभी पहले पे आपको मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. सीधे डायरेक्टली प्रोग्राम पे नहीं आ सकते. ठीक है ना.
No.
इसकी
Okay,
वैल्यू रिअरेंज करके देखो कॉपी पे पहले कि एक्स वाई की वैल्यू वन रखे हैं, जीरो जीरो रखे हैं, तो क्या वैल्यू आ रही है, तो आप समझ
सर
जाओगे उसे.
सर आई जस्ट वांट टू हाईलाइट समथिंग हियर आल्सो. अगर अगर ये फॉर्मूला जो है ना f of x comma y is equal to f of x minus y comma y, if you put suppose you have x as 3 and y as 4, so it will be inside the function what you have given, it will be 1 comma 4. So how now f of 1 comma 4, how it will calculate? It should have some particular formula for f of x comma y is equal to something, no sir. It is again looping it again and again, and it is never ending actually.
Actually, so, this, see, I collect many programs from different sources. Okay, for you, if you find some correction over there, so do correct and let me know. So I will correct the original copy. All right.
No sir, I mean I need at least the f of x comma y formula, sir, actually. Then
Yeah,
only I
I will
will.
put. I will put. I will put. Okay. This is a very good number of program is this. So maybe on the internet sources there is a wrong program. All right.
sir, could you please open your PDF?
My PDF. Which PDF?
This session, you
Okay, okay,
uploaded it.
okay, okay. Not right now. I mean, this will uploaded today's
It's
night
very
or on dictionary PDF.
not a function program exercise.
Jupyter.
Yes, sir.
That is not inside this laptop. That is in a laptop. Okay. The exercise or what we do covering session.
Means
Like two things are
the
there.
IIBM portal. You can open it
Okay,
over.
okay, 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 okay. Yes, yes. Yeah. Which one?
So first, I stop my sharing.
Okay, I have to share my screen. Yes, you are right.
So IIBM portal.
Let me present my screen, dear.
Okay.
How you know that I am sharing? I am selecting right files. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
So this lecture 7, the,
Mm,
the
this one,
query session.
this one.
Yes, sir.
No,
Query
query.
session.
This one and this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So, yes, please.
Sir, actually,
Which program number?
book number 14.
1 4. 1 2 13 and 14. Yes,
Up and on.
please.
Yes, sir. This problem is recursion error.
Mm-hmm.
This one is not solved in your list.
I mean, I'm not getting you. What you want to say?
सर ये
तो
इसका आंसर आपका भी नहीं आ रहा है।
अच्छा गलत हो रहा है इसमें। चलो मैं देख लूंगा और बताओ। तुम सही करो
मुझे
से,
भी
तुम सही करो।
सर मैं कोशिश कर रहा था, मुझसे भी नहीं हो रहा।
अच्छा तो मैं सही कर दूंगा, ठीक है ना? और बताओ।
और सर उसके ऊपर कंकैटिनेट टू स्ट्रिंग्स हैं, उसको प्लीज उसका मेथड मुझे समझा
कौन सा है बताओ?
दीजिए। माइट पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, इसके ऊपर वाला।
9 9 रिकर्जन। अच्छा
ये रहा।
ठीक, इसमें क्या हो रहा है देखो सबसे पहले ना।
लॉजिक समझा दीजिए मुझे।
हाँ देखो सबसे पहले हमने फाइनल स्ट्रिंग इनिशियलाइज किया, ठीक है ना? उसके बाद एक
ओके।
काउंटर लिया, आई मीन काउंटर या जो भी हो। हमने क्या किया कि str2 कॉमा एल, एल एनी कोई कीवर्ड हो सकता है, ठीक है ना? ग्लोबल वेरिएबल इनिशियलाइज किया। ग्लोबल मीन्स क्या होता है, अगर कोई आउटर वेरिएबल है।
लोकल ये हमने पढ़ लिया, लोकल वेरिएबल।
हाँ ग्लो तो आपको अगर मॉडिफाई करना चाहते हो यू कैन डू,
ग्लोबल।
यू कैन डिक्लेयर विद द ग्लोबल कीवर्ड। मैं चेक कर रहा
ओके।
हूँ कि मेरी लेंथ जब तक आई तक ना पहुंच जाए या मेरी लेंथ आई के इक्वल है, तो मैं जब मेरी लेंथ मीन्स मैंने रीड करना शुरू किया आई इक्वल टू 0, तो एल मीन्स क्या है उसकी जो है उसकी लेंथ जो स्ट्रिंग से कॉन्केनेट कर रहा हूँ जब तक ना पहुंच जाए। अगर पहुंच गई हो तो मैं लास्ट में /0 अपेंड कर दूं। /0 क्या होता है, अगर आपने सी प्रोग्रामिंग पढ़ी हो तो /0 ये होता है कि उसमें हम एंड में पहुंच गए हैं, ठीक है ना? मीन्स
स्लैश जीरो मीन।
एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग नोट बाय द /0। ओके ध्यान रखना
ओके।
प्रोग्रामिंग में,
ओके।
ठीक है? अगर लास्ट में पहुंच गए हो उसकी लेंथ इक्वल टू हो गई है तो मीन्स जो आप काउंटर इंक्रीज कर रहे हो वो लास्ट तक पहुंच गया हो, आप वहां पे /0 अपेंड कर दो, मतलब स्ट्रिंग पूरी कॉपी हो गई। अदरवाइज क्या करो, जो आपने स्ट्रिंग इनिशियलाइज की है फाइनल स्ट्रिंग दिस वन हेलो के साथ, ओके, उसमें एक एक करके स्ट्रिंग लेते जाओ, उसकी इंडेक्स लेते जाओ और उसमें कॉपी करते जाओ, अपेंड करते जाओ और उसका काउंटर बढ़ाते जाओ, ठीक है? इतना क्या, फिर उस फंक्शन को कॉल कर लो, फंक्शन कॉल कर लो, फंक्शन दोबारा से पैरामीटर अपडेट कर देगा, अपडेट करने के बाद नया कैरेक्टर उठा लेगा और आपको कॉन्कनेक्ट करके दे देगा, ठीक है? तो मैंने वर्ड को हेलो के साथ कॉन्कनेक्ट कर दिया, सिंपल। बट आपको मेरे ख्याल से कंफ्यूजन /0 से हो रहा होगा।
यस सर।
सर आशिक,
हाँ बताइए।
सर इसके अंदर जैसे कि आपने एक इनपुट तो पहले दिया है और एक इनपुट हम ले रहे हैं, तो सर अगर दोनों इनपुट हमको str1 और str2 दोनों इनपुट
तो
लेने हो तो
सिंपल तो ले लो, यहाँ पे फाइन एस कर दो, फाइन एस तो आप पास रह गई, फाइन एस ले लो तुम उठा के ले। तो आपने हमने एक यहाँ पे फाइनल एस ले लिया है ना, तो आप स्ट्रिंग 1 ले लो, जो काम यहाँ पे फाइनल एस कर रहा है आपका स्ट्रिंग 1 हो जाएगा। ऐसी क्वेश्चन करते बच्चों वाले, चीज से
नहीं
करना
सर,
है।
नहीं सर, पैरामीटर जैसे str1 और str2 और l जैसे ऐसे 3 पैरामीटर लेना है।
तो बना लो, मॉडिफाई फंक्शन कर लो। देखो तुम्हें कॉन्सेप्ट बता दिया, हमें रिकर्जन का कॉन्सेप्ट करना था, हम फंक्शन कॉल कैसे करेंगे। तो कॉन्कनेट यहाँ पे कॉल हो रहा है, ठीक है ना? मैं आपको हाईलाइट करूँ थोड़ा सा, कॉन्करेट मेन चीज ये कॉल कैसे कॉल कर रहा है, ये अपने आप पैरामीटर से अपडेट करके कॉल कर रहा है। हर टाइम एल की वैल्यू अपडेट हो रही है ना? एल की अपडेट होने से वो चीज कट रहा है और आई का काउंटर भी बढ़ रहा है, और हर बार ये चेक कर रहा है कि हम लास्ट तक तो नहीं पहुंच गए। अगर लास्ट तक पहुंच गए तो लास्ट में /0 बना के लास्ट कर दो, क्योंकि किसी भी स्ट्रिंग के लास्ट में /0 आता है इसका मतलब उसका एंड हो गया। ये बात सी प्रोग्रामिंग में पढ़ाई जाती है, आप लोगों ने अगर
हाँ
नहीं
सर,
पढ़ी
वो तो
हो,
समझ में आ गया।
है ना? तो बस वही चीज हो रहा है, एल की वैल्यू और आई की वैल्यू अपडेट हो रही है, वो चीज कॉन्क्रीट हो रही है। अब मैं
तो
आप
ट्राई।
लोगों को पता, आप लोगों को सबसे अच्छी चीज सलाह दूंगा, सबसे पहले आप ना कॉपी पेंसिल में बनाओ। अगर इसमें लग जाओगे तो आपको कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा, आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप नहीं पता रहेगा। आप हर बार आई की वैल्यू पुट करो, हर बार आई की वैल्यू एल से चेक करो, देन करोगे तब समझ में आएगी। बेटा डायरेक्ट करोगे ना तो वो चीजें जितना प्रोग्राम बड़ा होगा उतना कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना?
तो ट्राई किया था लेकिन हुआ नहीं सर।
सेंड कर, मुझे
और
मेल
फिर
करो,
ट्राई।
मुझे मेल करो, मुझे देखिए कैसे नहीं होता तो करो और मुझे क्लिक करके भेजो उस पर कि हमने ये सॉल्व किया है। अच्छा प्रोग्राम, मेरी बात ध्यान रखना, तुम कौन सा कोर्स कर रहे हो, बीटेक कर रहे हो बीसीए कर रहे हो?
सर मेरा बीटेक खत्म हुआ, मैं
अगर आपको अच्छा प्रोग्रामर बनना है तो आपको कॉपी पेंसिल पे पहले वैल्यू रख के एल्गोरिथम एग्जीक्यूट करनी पड़ेगी। एल्गो समझते हो कि पैरामीटर जब जा रहा है तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या जनरेट हो रही है ईच लाइन के बाद, तब आप अच्छे से कर सकते हो। ये काम करना सीख लो, कोई नहीं रोक सकता आपको डेटा साइंटिस्ट बनने से। ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच डियर, हैव ए गुड नाइट।
सर वो अपडेट करवा दीजिए।
जी क्या कहना है बेटा?
सर वो अपडेट करवा दीजिएगा।
हाँ मैं कर दूँ, मैं कर दूंगा, मैं करके दूसरी फाइल दूंगा ना। अपनी एक बार प्रॉब्लम मुझे मेल कर देना है तो मैं एक बार देख लूंगा, है ना। हाँ
हेलो
जी जी, कौन? शुभांगी कुमारी, यस प्लीज।
यस सर, ये एक क्वेश्चन था मुझे पूछना
बताइए।
कि क्या पाइथन को रन करने से सिस्टम हीट जनरेट करता है?
पाइथन को रन करने सिस्टम हीट जनरेट करता है? नहीं तो
मैं
नहीं।
जैसे मेरा डेल इंस्पायरन है i3 प्रोसेसर का,
हाँ
तो जब मैं उसमें पाइथन मैंने उसको आपने जैसे बताया मैंने उसको इंस्टॉल किया, जब मैं उसका
अच्छा,
कोई
तो
प्रोग्राम
आपका
एक्सेस करती हूँ।
आपका प्रोसेसर कमजोर है, मेन चीज ये है। आई थ्री पे विंडो नहीं चल पाएगी। आपकी विंडोज पड़ी होगी आई थ्री पे, वो गड़बड़ कर रही है। तो आप मैं ही सही है, जैसे मैंने यूवेंटू डाल रखा है, मेरा भी आई थ्री है, मेरे पास दो आई थ्री आई7। सो आई7 रेयरली यूज करता हूँ, आई थ्री मोस्टली यूज करता हूँ पढ़ाने के लिए। तो आई थ्री पे यूवेंटू बेस्ट है, लिनक्स बेस है, ठीक है ना।
तो अभी मैं जैसे वो उसको मैं दिखाने के लिए गई थी, तो उन्होंने कहा कि इस पे मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर आपका रन करने के कारण ऐसा हो रहा है। तो जब भी मैं करना शुरू करती हूँ प्रैक्टिस, वो हिट जनरेट करना शुरू करता है। इसका क्या सॉल्यूशन है?
इसका सोल्यूशन ये है गूगल कोलैब, सबसे बढ़िया सोल्यूशन ये है गूगल कोलैब। आप ब्राउजर में खोलिए, सेम वर्क यू परफॉर्मिंग इन जुपिटर नोटबुक, सेम वर्क यू डूइंग गूगल कोलैब।
ओ,
Alright,
ठीक ठीक है,
चल, thank you so
थैंक
much. Any more questions so that we can finish the session? Alright, thank you so much dear, have a nice day.